Now that we're outside, we can take this project and make it huge. Have your student measure off the entire perimeter of your property. Or if you have a larger piece of property, have them measure off a large section where you might put, say, a fence. Now, if you don't have a large piece of property or this isn't easy to do where you're at, that's okay. Just get creative. Go to the local park and put little markers in the ground and create an imaginary pasture. Have the student measure off and calculate what the entire footage is of the parameter. Then have them calculate and count up how many fence posts are they going to need if they place one post every, say, 6 feet. How many corner posts and support corner posts are they going to need? Make it interesting. Don't do a perfect rectangle or square. Put some notches in there so they have to do some extra calculation. Have them figure out how many gates they're going to need and how long or big do they want those gates to be. What about the height of the fence itself? Have them calculate 2 or 3 different scenarios, maybe one for 3 feet, one for 4 feet, one for 5 feet. You can even spice it up with different types of fencing. Are you going to use a wire fence or are you going to do wood fence? All of these help them to see the practical value of learning these different concepts. Plus, you're doing it in the best multi-sensory learning platform that you possibly can outside. Now you can have them take that project one step further and literally have them call fence suppliers, the local hardware stores, and compare 2 or 3 different prices on what it would cost to actually do this project. Then they can do a comparison and find out which place would be their best place to purchase if they were going to do it. All of this is a wonderful way to teach with the brain in mind. Plus, you've given it a practical value, so it's something that the student is more than likely going to remember. These types of concepts would take 75 to 100 pages in a normal, plain black and white textbook. But out here, it's fun, and you've accomplished it with some very basic projects. Plus, again, it's multi-sensory. The student is going to remember this so much more than some boring problem in a book. Plus, you're thinking outside of the house.